Namaskar students. Today we are going to learn about the chapter number 6 coordinate geometry maths to class 10. So we will first see the distance formula. Here the problem is find the distance between the points P and Q. Now let the coordinates of P, we will say it as x1 and y1, and coordinates of Q is equal to x2, y2. Therefore, here we will get x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 5, and y2 is equal to -7. Therefore, by distance formula, the distance PQ will be equal to, the formula is square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Remember, this is difference between x2 and x1 square and y2 plus y1 square. So here, by substituting the value, we will get the x2 is equal to 5 minus x1 is equal to -1. So we will put -1 in bracket side and whole square. Remember, write the minus sign always in brackets so that you will not confuse. And next is y2. Y2 here is -7. So we will write it in bracket side -1 as it is and whole square. See, whole square is very important. Now after this we will get 5 minus of minus, that is plus. So 5 plus 1 is 6 square, that is 36, plus here -7 minus 1. So -7 minus 1 is -8, and -8 square is plus 64. Always remember, the square of minus is always plus. So it will be 8 are 64. Go to 8 2s are. So here it is square root of 36 plus 64 is 100. So square root of 100 is 10. So distance between PQ by using distance formula is 10. Now another formula to find the coordinate of midpoint is that here the problem is given, find the coordinates of the midpoint P of the line segment AB with A is equal to -4, 2. These are the coordinates. And B is equal to 6, 2. So again we will say, we will write it as coordinates of AB x1 y1 and coordinates of B is equal to x2 y2. So here x1 is equal to -4, y2 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 6, y2 is equal to 2. Now by midpoint formula, the coordinates of x, where midpoint be x and y. So x will be equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and coordinates of y will be equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Only we will put the value. Therefore it is equal to x1 is -4 plus here x2 is 6 upon 2, and also we will get y1 is equal to 2 plus y2 is equal to 2 upon 2. That is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2, and here we will get 6 minus 4, 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. So coordinates of midpoint P is equal to xy, that is equal to 1 and 2. So in this way you will find the distance between the 2 points and the midpoint, the coordinates of midpoint. Try the other problems of the exercise. Thank you.